Hey everyone, welcome back to the Stone House. I'm going to do a quick little project today. I've got to find where the septic system is because the plumber would like to know before he starts all the indoor plumbing stuff. So I'm going to try to find that, and I got some helpers. Right here, Stacy.
Hi. Found something.
A bottle top. Is right next to the house?
I don't know. Something? Is that a bone?
I think so. This? No.
What is it?
Oh, maybe it is.
It is!
There's a worm in it.
Give it to me.
Alright, so with the help of Lily and Jace, I found the septic system. It's a lot closer to the house than what I thought it was going to be. It's a lot closer to the house than I've ever seen a septic system. The edge of that septic system is probably only 2 feet from the stone wall, so that's pretty close. It does need to be pumped. I'm going to order that as soon as I can, and now the person that's going to be doing the plumbing will know exactly where this is. And we're gonna run a whole new pipe from the house to the tank. And we know everything is new and the tank is pumped. It's good to know where your septic system is. Just came here after work because they were pumping the septic system today, so I wanted to see how that went. It is empty. An interesting fact that I learned is that this is a 500-gallon tank, and right after the 500-gallon tank is a 1,000-gallon tank. Can you guess where the 1,000-gallon tank might be? For those of you that are guessing underneath the pile of bricks, you would be correct. The 1,000-gallon tank is under the pile of bricks. So guess what I've got to do? Yeah. I've got to move a pile of bricks. Oh yeah, did you see the bathtub yet?
Is there a bathroom?
Yeah.
Why upstairs? We can go.
Do you want to take your boots off and get in there? You can.
I want to.
Can you get in, sis? You want help? You got it.
It's so good,
Yeah. Isn't it really deep?
Yeah, but you can like come over here. You can like go to this side and then feel the water.
Sit right down all the way on the floor. Look how deep it would be.
Oh, on my belly like that. Wow. It's so huge. It's so huge and deep. It's so deep. I need help now.
You need help getting out?
Yeah, you can sit right here. And put your arms like this and
Yeah,
sit.
kinda. This is the best light that I can get for up here. But let me show you how much better it is. This is what it would look like right now if I didn't put any lights up. Professional studio lighting almost. So today is going to be kind of a fun project. I look forward to these types of projects because I'm building something. It's custom, so you got to use your noggin. And when you're done, you feel really good when you get something like this completed. I'm in the upstairs bathroom. It's gonna be the kids' bathroom. What we're doing is we're putting in this big soaking tub. This tub here that I got, we bought this on Craigslist. So it's a Whirlpool Celio soaking tub. Very, very deep tub. gonna show that. Oh, I'm not gonna show that one. Perfect. It's literally perfect. I really like the way that turned out. So altogether, I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. It's very level, very plumb, everything. All the corners turned out really good. I'm not sure if I'm going to end up building onto this side just so there's a little bit more seating area. Seems like this is pretty perfect. So yeah, it's starting to look a lot more like a bathroom. I'm pretty pleased with the whole thing. It's really coming together. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. I really appreciate it. And we will see you next week.
Is that the basement?
Yep.
Who didn't go in?
You can when you're done with your
Ah!
food.
The ball.
What, Lily?
3 huge spiders.
Are you scared of spiders?
5, 6, 7. 7 huge spiders. 1, 2, there's 2.